EV will help save our planet. New designs that will fast-track the switch to EVs are hitting the market. Unfortunately, this switch to EV is slow, and it might get slower with what Tesla has done. The EV manufacturing giant has announced that the 2024 Model Y Juniper would not make it to America. As we have said, this is bad for the spread of EV, and if you want to find out why Tesla can't ship, you are definitely in the right place. Continue watching this video. It's going to be electric. So, what's the big deal about the 2024 Model Y Juniper anyway? Well, there are different reasons for this, and we'll take you through a ride as we discuss them. 1. It's new. Let's face it, people love new cars. The shiny paint, upgraded features, and that new car smell. People can't just resist. Car makers, including Tesla, know this and use it to their advantage because the core reason behind production is to make money while giving customers what they want. The Model Y Juniper is Tesla's chance to make well-deserved improvements like better battery efficiency, safety innovations, and the latest tech. 2. The competition. The automotive world is competitive. Manufacturers are constantly battling it out for customer attention. So, to get ahead, manufacturers have to release new models. It's a never-ending race to stay ahead of the curve. Manufacturers are fueled by customers' desire to be the coolest car on the block. And when it comes to cool, the Juniper Y takes serious credit. It has an incredible safety standard, has an attractive design, and even better enjoyable entertainment features. Not bad for this mid-size vehicle. Tesla's decision not to bring the Model Y Juniper to America means the company would be missing out on the opportunity to make money. Will it hurt Tesla that much? We'll get to that part soon. Make sure you stick around. Reason 3. The evolution hype. Launching a new car is like throwing a giant car birthday party, if that makes sense. Does it? There's advertising, buzz, and a whole lot of excitement. It's a chance for manufacturers to connect with potential buyers, create a sense of anticipation, and ultimately, sell more cars. The Model Y Juniper is meant to be more than just a car, but a reflection of genuine advancements in technology, safety, and efficiency. So, while some changes might be purely aesthetic, others represent progress for the entire industry. So now you know why Tesla made the Model Juniper Y. So why isn't the company going to sell it in America in 2024? Why the revamped Model Y is not coming to the US? So the reason why the Juniper Model Y will not come to the US is connected to the vehicle's battery. There is a great chance that the new version of the Model Y gets CATL's new IFP battery, which makes an astronomical difference between the previous Teslas and the Juniper Model Y battery. The batteries to be put inside these Model Y Juniper, as every other battery used in Tesla EVs, is to be made in-house using CATL's equipment and process. But since this IFP battery is new, Tesla does not have much already produced. According to a past press release by Tesla, the manufacturer does not make enough batteries in the US to cover the production of the cars built in the US. So what does this mean? This means the batteries that have been produced in the Gigafactory in Shanghai would be used to build cars there. What we believe will happen is that while the rest of the world could get the Model Y with the new IFP battery, the factories in the US will focus on first getting enough batteries made in the US to support the Model Y Juniper. This means that the US market will get the Model Y when there are enough batteries made in the US factories to support production. Reports claim that the car will reach the American market in 2025. Will this take long? Tell us what you think. So, the big question: what is America missing? America will be missing out on the cool new improvements that Tesla has made with the Y model, but they aren't completely out of Tesla's consideration. How is that? So in 2023, Tesla gave its best-selling sedan, the Model 3, an upgrade under the codename Highland. The upgrade aimed to enhance comfort and boost efficiency. The sedan has subtle tweaks to the interior and exterior design, aimed to improve ergonomics and address previous design shortcomings. Notably, the steering column stalks were eliminated. The revamped Model 3 debuted in Asia and Europe last year before arriving in North America this year. This car is a major reason Tesla fans have been waiting for a similar revamp on the Model Y. After a long period of Tesla EV users waiting for the updated Model Y, the company announcing that the Model Y Juniper project would not get to America is a disappointing blow to anticipating fans, many of whom are hoping to buy the new Model Y. so fans will be missing out on the new ride. What does this deal mean for Tesla? Effects on Tesla. Tesla's decision to reportedly delay the much-anticipated Model Y Juniper in the US until 2025 has been disappointing. What was seen as the next evolution of the popular mid-size SUV that would challenge rivals like the Ford Mustang Mach-E in America now hangs in the balance, leaving potential buyers in limbo and questioning the company's strategy. For many, the Model Y Juniper represented more than just a new car. It was a symbol of progress, innovation, and a chance to be among the first to experience the latest advancements in Tesla's technology. Hopeful individuals who had envisioned themselves cruising in the redesigned SUV were surprised by the announcement from Tesla, which signified a sudden change of plans. This disappointment can translate into several consequences for Tesla. Erosion of trust. Broken promises can chip away at the trust consumers have in a brand. While delays happen, the lack of immediate clear communication or explanation for the Juniper's postponement could sour relations with some potential buyers. Brand perception. The delay paints a picture of indecisiveness or production issues, potentially impacting Tesla's image as a cutting-edge and reliable EV manufacturer. Shifting loyalties. Disappointed buyers may turn to competitors like Ford, GM, or Rivian, who offer similar electric SUV options and could capitalize on Tesla's misstep. Beyond the individual buyers, however, the impact might extend beyond individual disappointment. This delay could have broader implications for Tesla. Just check out the next 3 reasons we'll show you to see what we mean. Market share. Delayed releases can give competitors a window to solidify their own product and potentially capture market share that would have gone to Tesla. Investor confidence. Shareholders might react negatively to news that could affect future sales and profitability. Stock price. A potential decline in investor confidence could translate into a dip in Tesla's stock price, impacting its financial standing. On the bright side for Tesla, they still remain a dominant force in the EV market, and the Juniper delay doesn't negate its past achievements or future potential. However, it serves as a reminder that even the most innovative companies can face setbacks, and navigating such situations with transparency and clear communication is crucial to maintaining trust and mitigating negative impacts. The Juniper revamp of the Model Y category will be amazing when it arrives, but the reason it is not coming to the US might still delay it well past 2025. So, if you are in the United States and are waiting for the Model Y Juniper in America, you should pay attention to the next parts of this video to decide if it's worth the wait. So consider, the price. Elon has always played the price lord over the prices of the Tesla EVs. He has offered discounts that made Tesla EV drop by over 20%, which has helped many buyers. As it stands today, the price for the Model Y is extremely good, the best price it has been in a very long time. We believe the reason behind the prices for Tesla EV is as a result of the Juniper delay announcement, and these prices could go up at any time, especially after the revamped Model Ys hit the market. As it stands now, the Model Y, before any federal incentives and state incentives, can be gotten for around $42,990 or $43,000. With current pricing discounts of Tesla EVs, remember one key fact: Tesla operates on its own timeline, not yours. Despite the hype, there's no concrete release date for the Juniper revamped Model Y. This isn't unusual for Tesla, known for its unconventional approach and disregard for traditional release cycles. Remember the Cybertruck announcement? So, should you not put your car buying plans on hold for a car with an unknown arrival date promised by Tesla? Rumor has it the highly anticipated Model Y Juniper is in mass production in Giga Shanghai, so you might be cruising in the vehicle sooner rather than later if you are in China. However, for folks outside China, especially America, hold your horses. There's no official word on a global release date or which countries will get the update first. While a late 2024 launch isn't impossible, 2025 seems more likely at this point. Do you think the car is worth the wait? Let us know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe for more content like this.